Now let's look at example 1. Probability that a buyer's dice land on 5 is 0.4. Gabriella is going to roll the die 300 times. Work out an estimate for the number of times the die will land on a 5. Okay. What you need to understand is that these kind of questions, you always see this kind of phrase bias, because each outcome is not equally likely. It's called experimental probability because we assume that some experiment has been done. Okay. Now, what you need to understand is that probability of 5 is given as 0.4. Now, to get the number of times that will land on 5, if you keep on repeating the experiment 300 times, all you need to do is multiply your probability by the number of trials. So estimate from 300 rolls will be the probability times the number of trials. And that gives us 120 times. So you remember, you work out the probability and you times the probability by the number of trials. That's how you work out experimental probability.